Hello and welcome to Claire Howard, nail artist and educator. Today I'm going to run through a super simple Valentine's design with you. So this is like a 50-50 love heart. I prepared my base using the colours Night Out and Bloom Baby Bloom. And I'm now going to go on and I'm going to paint half a heart in the opposite colour to the base colour underneath. So this is Night Out and it's on top of Bloom Baby Bloom. I'm going to apply my heart's outline. I'm doing a nice big heart here, and once I am happy with the outline of my heart, I'll then go ahead and fill that colour in. All of the colours I'm using today are available on Lecentè's website, and I will pop my discount code down in the comments there if you'd like to use that. Once I've filled in this heart, I'm just going to pop it in the Lecentè lamp and flash cure for 10 seconds, which just freezes my design, leaving me free to go on and apply the other side of my heart. I've applied a couple of dots there so that I can ensure that my heart is equal on both sides, and then I'm going ahead and applying the outline again. Once I have applied the outline and I'm happy with that, I am then going to go ahead and fill in the inside of my heart, ensuring that I do a nice straight line down the middle, continuing from the line I already have. So I'm going to fill that in, and then I will pop it into the lamp to fully cure. That's on a 30-second cure before applying my top coat. And there you have it. This is a super simple Valentine's design. I hope you've enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my page. Thanks for watching.